Hi everyone, my name is Viraza Siddharth. Today date is 22 February 2022. Today topic is string method in Java. In that string is a method in Java you may recall a string which is widely used in Java is an object that represents the sequence of character. It is a great way to store information because character string are the in which then that is uh, methods of strings. In first of is caret method is a returns to the character at the specified index in a string. And Java string compared to next method is string compared to the Java string class. Compared to method is a compares the given string with the current string lexicographically. It returns the positive number, negative number, or zero. And next is a uh, uppercase differences in comparison in origin Unicode values of each character in the string converts to the lowercase. The method returns of zero is the string equals to the other string. And next is the other string is more than characters in which to the in which to the com- next is compare ignores case method compares to string lexicographically ignoring lower case and upper case differences in the comparison is based on the Unicode value of each character in string converted to the lower case. The method sequence of zero is string is equal to the character of string ignoring case differences, and returns the value of less than 0 is returned if the string is less than or other string. And next is mm, the contents method. The contents method is used to the search substring and substring in the given string. Returns of the substring found the specified returns string true value, otherwise returns a false value. And second next is a contains equals method. Contains equals method search the string, find out if it contains the exact same sequence of characters in the specified string or string buffer, and returns true value characters exist the false or if not. Next method is a class end with string class end with method checks if this string end with a given suffix it returns true if this string ends with the given suffix else return false. The equals method true string and returns of the true strings to the lexicographically compare to Java string class. Index of methods is a return the position of the first occurrence of the specified character or string in a specified string. And next method is a length method. Length method is a find the length of string. The length of the Java string is the same as Unicode units of the string. And next is a replace method. Replace method returns a string, replace all the old character sequence, new character or character sequence. In method is introduce the allows replace to the sequence of character value. Next method is a split method. Split method is a string against given regular expression and returns of the character array. And next is a Java string is a start with method. Start with method. This string starts with the given prefix. It returns the values of to the given starts is string is given prefix. Else returns a false. And next method is a to lowercase method. To lowercase methods it converts string lowercase letters uppercase or method converts to the string uppercase letters. Next is uppercase method. Uppercase method in string in uppercase letter, in other words the convert to the character string in case letter uppercase letter works as top to uppercase local executable. And next is a next method is a to string method is a built-in method in Java language return itself string. So here actually converts the as per forms storing impactly, usually called impactly. And next method is to the trim method. Trim method in which a string is built in a function that eliminates leading or trailing spaces, in which the Unicode values are characters 0. In the trim method is Unicode value before after the same in string. And value of the value of method is converts to the different types of value string in which. Thank you.